Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to go over how to make and assemble this fun Easter Bunny fringe freestanding lace hairbow design. You're going to be getting 2 files, so you'll need to hoop this design twice. So we can start with the first one, and you're going to need to use a wash away stabilizer. Is the first file all stitched out. So for this part of the hair bow, the centerpiece is the part that has the fringe. So we're going to flip it to the back and we're going to cut in between the middle of the circle. Okay, and here is our little fringe pom-pom. So now I'm gonna remove it from the hoop, cut it out, and I'm gonna dip this in water and let this dry, and then we can start on the second hoop. Is the second file all stitched out, and for this part of the bow, the ears have the fringe. So again, we're going to flip it to the back and we're going to be cutting right in the middle around the bunny ears. Here it is, and now I'm gonna again take out of the hoop, remove it and wet it and let this dry, and then after it's fully dry we can start assembling the bow. Now we're ready to assemble the bow. I'm going to be using an alligator clip for this, and we're going to start with the white and pink bow piece. So these ones we're going to flip them to the back side, and we're going to be gluing in the middle, connecting the sides in the center for both. So here are the bows. Okay, now we're going to put these to the side, and this one we're going to fold in half so we can find the middle. And then we're going to grab our bunny ears and we're going to glue it right in the middle. And then we're going to grab our white bow and place it in the middle as well. And then glue our pink bow in the middle. Now we're going to flip it to the back and glue our clip. The last thing we're going to do is glue our centerpiece. So I'm going to start by gluing the circle right in the middle and then wrapping the sides around the bow. But yeah, this is pretty much how this bow turned out. I will link it down below in case you guys are interested in making this, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.